To fix Windows 11 activation error, click on Start, open Settings. On the left hand side, select System. Now scroll it down, select Activation. If your copy is unactivated, you will see a Troubleshoot button. Click on it and make sure you're logged in as an administrator for this option to show up. Afterwards, run the diagnostic. If it fails initially, look for a link that says I changed the hardware on this device recently and click it. Sign in using the exact Microsoft account linked to your license key. For the list of registered device, select the checkbox for "This is the device I'm using right now" and click Activate. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.